Hey everyone! Phrasal verbs are combinations of a verb and one or more particles. Usually prepositions or adverbs. The tricky part? You can't just translate them word by word. For example, give up doesn't mean hand something upward. It means to quit or surrender. Today, we're breaking down 10 essential phrasal verbs that you'll hear constantly in movies, podcasts, and real conversations. Let's jump in. Let's start with 5 phrasal verbs you'll use constantly. First, get up, meaning to wake and leave bed, or to stand. I get up at 7 every morning. Second, put on, to wear or switch on. It's cold outside. Put on your jacket. Third, run into, to meet someone by chance. I ran into my old teacher at the grocery store last week. Fourth, look after, to take care of. My mom looks after my dog when I'm traveling. And fifth, figure out, to understand or solve. I finally figured out how this app works. Single quote. Now let's tackle 5 more that'll really level up your English. Give up means to quit or surrender. Don't give up on your dreams. Sixth, hang out, to spend time relaxing with friends. Let's hang out this weekend. Seventh, come across, to find or discover something unexpectedly. I came across an amazing restaurant near my apartment. Eighth, bring up, to mention a topic, or to raise children. She brought up a really good point in the meeting. And ninth, cut down on, to use or consume less. I'm trying to cut down on sugar and coffee. Here's where most learners get stuck. Don't say, I look after of my dog. The of is wrong. Just I look after my dog. Another mistake. People sometimes reverse the word order. With put on, you can say, put on your shoes or put your shoes on, but with come across, you must say, come across something. Never come something across. Here's a memory trick. Group phrasal verbs by particle. Verbs with up often mean starting or increasing. Get up, give up, wake up. Verbs with out often mean exhaustion or exploration. Figure out, hang out, work out. Creating mental categories helps them stick. Now it's your turn. Here's your challenge. Pick 3 phrasal verbs from this video and use them in sentences about your own life. Write them in the comments below. I read every single one. Or better yet, record yourself saying a short paragraph using at least 5 of these phrasal verbs and share it on social media. Tag me, and you might be featured in my next video. Remember, the only way phrasal verbs become natural is through repetition and real usage. Start noticing them in English movies, songs, and podcasts. You've got this. If you want more intermediate English lessons, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next video.